Hello, this video will teach you how to design the body tube. Alright, so let's get into it. So first and foremost, you should be on the Onshape web page. Just click create document, and then you can classify what document you want to create, and you just put body tube, right? And so where we start off is we want to establish on which plane we are going to draw our two-dimensional shape on. So I am going to choose the top plane, so we will click sketch and then click on the top plane. And now you can see that we have our sketch plane overlaid on the top plane. So what we're going to do is going to click on this three-dimensional cube that has our directional perspective, and we're going to click top. So now that we're clicking top, we have a bird's eye view of the plane that we're trying to design over. And since we're creating the body tube, we're going to be using a center point circle as our main tool. So we're going to click the center point circle once, click at the very center of the top plane, and then just put it to whatever arbitrary value. You can have it close to 3, which is what our open rocket body tube is designed to be, but we're going to correct it by clicking dimension. And then what this does is this solidifies the dimension from not being an arbitrary value to a solidified constrained value. So our first one is going to be 3 inches. And as we can see, the circle changed color from blue to black. That just means that the sketch has been defined and that it will no longer, it will not change. Um, it will be only to what we set it to be. So the inner diameter of the body tube is 3 inches and the outer diameter is 3.0625 inches. And yeah, that's it for our sketch. Next step is to make it three-dimensional. So what we do from there is we click extrude, and then we click on the sketch that we just drew, and then we just put it to 13.5 inches. There it is. And so this should be your third-dimensional fiberglass body tube, but it's blue. And so if you want to change its appearance, you can do that. All you have to do is just uh, right click right here on the extrude, or no, I think it's right click on the part and then edit appearance, and then you can just change it to whatever color you want. I'm gonna put it to something that fiberglass looks like, which is this like sort of greenish, whitish, off-white color. But yeah, that's making the body tube in Onshape. Thank you.